southern part of Goa has unblemished beaches, beautiful landscape and tranquility. As the beaches here are less crowded, one can have quiet and pleasant holidays in South Goa. For scenic beauty and to enjoy a stay on the beaches of South Goa during holidays, a good number of wooden shacks are available. One good option to stay just by the Palolem beach of South Goa is Oxygen Palolem Beach Resort. Oxygen Palolem is a 3-star hotel located on the Palolem beach, which is under Cancun municipality. The hotel has 2 entrances, one from the roadside, other from the beach side. The rooms are made in cottage style with each cottages having a personal balcony. However, the cottages are too closely spaced to one another. The place lives up to its name Oxygen, as it is filled with lots of greeneries and fresh air. Check-in time is from 1 in the afternoon and check-out time is at 11 in the morning. Dublin Airport is near about 55 to 60 km from the place. All the cottages are wooden cottages with all basic amenities. The property is well maintained, has a 24-hour front desk with really good and helpful staffs. Hospitality shown by the staff are satisfying. In case of any basic requirement of the guest, they provide that to them. The resort has great ambience with cottages set in between lush green garden. Fitness spa facility is also available with applicable service charges. The property has on-site bar cum restaurant which provides non-spicy tasty food with a good variety of cuisine within reasonable price. If guests are preferring to take food in rooms, the restaurant staff are happy to serve it at rooms. This is the other side of the hotel. As it is not directly on the beach, just by walking a few meters, it opens up to the beach with a mesmerizing view of the sea and beautiful landscape. Each wooden cottage has a patio and has nice gardens in front of each unit. The inside decor is basic with availability of all basic amenities. Room is spacious, clean and well maintained. As the property is located in a garden, there can be some mosquito or small insect at night, though mosquito oil is provided in the rooms. The room has shower on one side and toilet on the other, and a sink in between, though both are not very big but are neat and clean. Balcony is provided with chair, table and ceiling fan where guests can sit comfortably and relax with food and drinks. Two main downsides of the property are: one is its entrance. Finding the hotel from the roadside is little tricky as no proper signboard is given and guests have to walk through a narrow sandy alley to get into a clean and green resort. But on calling the hotel staffs, they come immediately to show directions and help guests by collecting their bags and luggages. Other problem is they have parking issues for big vehicles. Guests may have to park a few meters away from the area. Water activities like boat riding to nearby Honeymoon Island, Monkey Island, kayaking and also hiring a cab can be arranged with the help of hotel staff based on request. Overall, it is a good resort to spend relaxing holidays in South Goa. If you liked the review, please like and share the video and also subscribe to our channel.